the last time we can and I say the causes of liver problem. Remember we bought signs and symptoms of liver problem, but they see I know will be because message in there by an hour shit. We almost suffer from liver issue and I say liver problem. It's you liver problem and patch out tea. I said I'm making you pa. It's from the Timmy Aden Abwao. First, late eating patch many dianajo. Oh liver issue many dianajo. I feel so a number of berrino and I'm a fish and no in moderation. So when you liver problem there, patch of course I remember and no cry in moderation. Me patch but when you liver problem, me patch out 10 years and I'm a bit me a fish. Meat be I want to meat, fish, and no crown in moderation. I feel so stop late eating, many day and a joke. I feel so impatch or no man now which I alcohol so near them, and yeah, mao, and now oily food. If you are near oil with brumono, and yet Emma Olivano, we will be out there the oil food, I would bed in a 2 liver so. And 2 liver problem and patchowa, and I say issue. Or more than so be near oil, and it won't be brain, obeja, and also the. Then so timid abwao. I feel so overeating. And could you an man and show you from be overeating and so yet when you are doing a crab nowadays, then so timid abwa body no. And I mean could highly processed foods, especially Western diet no. But also and yet Emma liver no. More than also be sugar D. Sugar and sugar products. Are they beer sugar own beer no? Or more than answer about a free soft drinks, free home. Ni nyina anye de enye ema ho esamaduane me pacho twon free ho ni nyina enye ema ho afi so bombodin ase obedi salt in moderation and so betimi den aboa ho peso pacho bombodin ase obegya ensanom alcohol so nom san na wagyae na de bia contain caffeine and fa bi ne den enka wa no so for supplement we account onya liver issue and ase especially hepatitis ya bombodin ase obefa this supplement no. Na no so etimi aboa a friend of milk tester a very good pa oko organic shop wa benya bia den ato and I feel so your licorice a very good pa and omega 3 unya and so etimi den aboa afi ye ma no dicide and I say aduane ni side no a betimi den edina aboa we liver but wa mo dey say obepe oatmeal no it contain a lot of fiber. Unya liver issue and that's a problem. Aduane as utadi pa aduane contain fiber into high fiber food no and as consuming more so na betime den aboa oni padua no nti na ense say ukodi esamaduane and as bread ukodi this aduane because no there's no fiber in it I no udi a mwa liver no nti me ukodi say aduane nti oatmeal contain fiber I many padua no and afi so no brown rice so good and whole wheat and also timi den Abwa liver no beans and also edema. I feel so drink a lot of water. Water no so be brand so betimi abwa. First thing in the morning, sorry, I'll betimi ape chamomile tea. Chamomile tea na one and na say green tea no so abwa contain antioxidant. Enema bebre some fighting against cancer. Enema bebre me person me boso enti unya green tea so ana no so na one na abwa liver no kama and I feel so seed no bet me up flax seed, sunflower seed, sesame seed, flax seed, sunflower seed, and sesame seed. Sesame seed now they are fra. How can you mean saboma? Now they are fra. Now if you have a 2 tablespoons morning and evening, 2 tablespoons morning and evening, and not to me bois olive no because sending kind it contains a lot of fiber. Bois no it's reduce cholesterol. Ema BP no anase o sugar no cry den ni nyina eba from kama afi so bomodi aso betima ya fasting we obi a we fasting. Let me tell you one secret thing about fasting one yare bia you can knock it by fasting yare be brewa we fasting na on knocking it down a very good cancer we fasting na knocking it down cry cancer no intimi grow so ginger garlic exercise but many part of you garlic ginger exercise tomato ni nyina timi eboa liver no afis walnut so very good for the liver. Walnut it also good for the brain about cognitive function so walnut very good pa eboa ma wadwumu da o think you think fast bibia sisi na kwan so nti walnut so no eboa ye Boa cognitive functions esan boa o liver no so ema liver no okay but modian say obepe turmeric powder na no so de go aduanim na wadi ana say warm water anopa 1 tablespoon na wanom e kan ya ba akomi no we ama ayo no so nya bia eno so atimi boa oni padua ne pa yi na san boa o liver no ebi ye squash, cucumber, carrot, garlic, tomato, onion ni nyina atimi boa o liver no, broccoli, potato, melon, apple, orange, and a banana. Ni nyina atimi eden eboa o liver no. Obetimi try this vegetable juice na no so watimi anom na boa o liver no. Radish, carrot, beetroot, parsley, cucumber, dandelion, and celery. Unya be miensa na bia obetimi dia fra na wa blend na wanom ni juice no eno so atimi aboa obetimi anoma no pa na nwumre anything bia obutimi eden enom afi mbe ma o vegetable salad we na eno so wata di pa wadi ni more pacho abomodi aso obedi ni more pacho this vegetable salad we e ma remfi bomodi an say obeye ni de bia na wadi na eno so atimi aboa pacho tinie cucumber, lettuce, spinach, tomatoes, carrots. Now the pe aiden account. So wape 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now the account. Usually we are now the account. But more than answer over the apple cider vinegar bear roll. And I say ube use salt. Now the apple kama.